So here the topic of herpes viruses. So saan nga ba nanggagaling yung herpes viridae na family? Consists of the envelope of DNA viruses affecting man and animals. So kung herpes viruses or envelope DNA virus that can remain latent in the body and reactivate when immunity decrease. So yung general properties niya naman is whole herpesviruses are structure similar, magkakamukha-mukha lang naman siya. So, the size is 20 to 200 nm in diameter. Yung capsid naman is icosahedral 162 capsomers. Yung envelope niya naman is surround by a lipoprotein envelope. So, dito naman na tayo sa basis of biological, physical, and genital properties ng herpesviruses are nade-divide siya sa tatlo. Ito yung alpha herpes viridae, beta herpes viridae, and gamma herpes viridae. So, may iba-iba sila. So, ang tatlong ito, yung sa alpha naman is nagre-replicate ng fast to 12 to 18 each. Yung beta naman nagre-replicate siya ng mabagal, 24 each. Ang ang gamma naman nagre-replicate siya ng in T or B lymphocyte. So, wait lang. Tapos yung variable host range naman nung alpha and then ang beta is narrow host range in salivary glands and then ang gamma naman is narrow host range in lymphoid tissue. So, name herpesvirus of medical importance. So, madami-dami to hanggang 8. Ang human herpesvirus 1 is herpes simplex virus type 1. Ang human herpes virus 2, herpes simplex virus type 2. And then human herpes virus 3, kung tawagin is varicella zoster virus. I-discuss natin yan mamaya. Meron din tayong human herpes virus 4, Epstein-Barr virus. Meron ding human herpesvirus 5, cytomegalovirus. Meron din tayong human herpesvirus 6, human herpesvirus 7, and for the last is human herpesvirus 8. So, the pathogenesis of herpes simplex virus, man is the only natural host. Yung saliva, skin lesion, or respiratory secretions from infected cause of asymptomatic caries. Nagkakos siya ng cold sores or oral lesion transmitted through direct contact such as kissing or sharing utensil. Doon nakukuha. And then, meron din tayong yung HSV2. Ang ano naman niya is, yung nagko-cause naman siya sa genital herpes transmitted through sexual contact leading to painful blister in the genital area. Doon nakukuha yung ating herpes simplex virus type 2. So, proceed naman tayo sa which drug are useful in treating. So, dito, itong drug na to, yung kung paano mapagaling yung herpes simplex virus. Merong acyclovir is the drug of choice for encephalitis. It also beneficial in primary genital herpes. Merong vidaravine is also effective against neonatal herpes. Meron din tayong, marami pa tayo dito for treatment. So, dito na tayo sa varicella zoster virus infection. Kung tawagin is chickenpox. Mild lang naman siya. Nagkukosto sa chickenpox in children and shingles in adults when the virus actives in the sensory nerves. Ito yung shingles na sinasabi ko. Sa adult naman siya. So, dito na tayo sa general properties ng VZV is a morphological similar to herpes simplex virus. It doesn't not grow in experimental animals in chick embryos. It can be grown in human fibroblasts, human amnion, or HeLa cells with typical internuclear inclusion bodies. And the CPE are similar to HSV but are less marked. Mas nagle-lessen yung mark niya kapag gumaling. So, dito naman tayo sa course of disease development in case of infected by VZV, kung tawagan is varicella zoster virus. Uh, the virus enters through the upper respiratory tract or conjunctiva. During the course of infection, it infects peripheral sensory nerves where it remains in a latent phase, sore case of chickenpox or sorcery. Kanina yung sinabi ko nga, yung shingles and chickenpox. The course of disease develop is diagrammatically defective in this flowchart. It is primary infection of respiratory epithelium to replicates asymptomatically, to reach the blood replicates, to spread to skin by cell-associated viremia, to localize in skin, to initiate focal, cutaneous, and mucosal lesion by infecting capillary endothelial cells. And then for the last is the cause swelling of epithelial cells, ballooning, lumolobo siya, degeneration, and accumulation of tissue fluid leading to vesicle formation. Dito tayo sa chickenpox. Kanina na-discuss na natin yan. So, pati yung herpes zoster, kung saan nanggagaling. So, dito tayo sa general properties ng cytomegalovirus. Kung tawagan ay CMV. Is morphological, similar lang din siya sa herpes simplex virus, tsaka sa varicella zoster virus. It is the largest virus in the herpes virus family. 150 to 200 nm. Its DNA content is significantly larger than HSV. It exhibits strict host specificity. Human CMV replicates in human only and unable to replicate in an animals. So, yung general properties naman niya is yung characterized CPE includes perinuclear cytoplastic inclusion in addition to the intranuclear inclusion. Multinucleate cells, many effective cells are greatly enlarged. So, ano na, yung CMV is usually asymptomatic but can cause severe disease in newborns and immunocompromised immunocompromised individuals. Doon siya nanggagaling. So, ang pathogenesis naman ng CMV infection is yung CMV replicates in epithelial cells of respiratory tract, salivary glands, kidney, and cervix, and is in urine, saliva. Sa babae naman to, yung sa nanggagaling siya is sa urine, saliva, cervical secretion, tears, semen, and breast milk. Nagtatransmit siya sa person to person by close contact. Then placenta transfer in fetus, exposure to maternal body fluids during delivery, and maternal breastfeeding infants, doon din siya nakukuha. So, ang clinical feature naman ng CMV infection is most of the infection are asymptomatic, lead to prolonged latency with occasional reactivation. So, congenital infection naman niya, it may remain asymptomatic to at birth or may lead to cytomegalic inclusion disease, which is often fatal. So, yung postnatal infection naman, kung kanina may congenital infection, meron ng postnatal. These are usually inapparent but may sometimes lead to insidious hepatitis or pneumonitis. Primary infection in older children and adults is usually inapparent but may lead to infectious mononucleosis like syndrome characterized by malaise, malaria, protracted fever, liver function abnormalities, and lymphocytes without erythropoietic abs. So, ito pa yung ibang postnatal infection. So, ano nga ba ang drug na nagpapagamot sa CMV infection? Merong John drug of choice, and then for the last is yung acyclovir is also beneficial. Dito na tayo sa Epstein-Barr virus. Ah, yung kung tawagin natin is EVB is spread through the saliva or kissing, cause infection, mononucleosis, and is linked to certain cancer like Burkitt's lymphoma. Dito na, ayun nga yung sabi kanina dito. So, ito pa, it grows well in human blood, lymphocyte, human B, lymphocyte have receptors for EBV, hence specifically transformation of B lymphocytes which undergo continuous multiplication. So, how is EBV virus transmitted and which tissue is affected? Sabi nga natin kanina, nagtatransmit siya sa infected saliva natin. It initially replicate in the epithelial cells of oropharynx and parotoid glands. So, ito yung clinical feature ng infection cause, nagko-cause ng EBV, is ubiquitous in all human population by the age of 3 years old. About 80% children in developed countries and 99% children in developing countries acquired infection. So, dito na nga yung infection, mononucleosis, kung tawagin is glandular fever. It is an acute and self-limited disease which is naglalast siya sa 4 to ay 2 to 4 weeks. It's characterized by pyrexia, sore throat, lymphadenopathy. So marami pa siya. Common siya sa ating young adult tulad sa ating edad. So yung mas nakukuha siya nakukuha yung virus through the respiratory routine by the close contact with patient like kissing, ganyan. And then dito sa Burkitt lymphoma. Meron din tayo dito. Dito nakikita natin tong virus sa 5 to 8 years old. It affects sites sa jaw natin, orbital cavities, and gastrointestinal tract natin. Nag-occur siya sa endemic type of African type associated with EBV infected and the sporadic type in which only 20% case na nagpapakita na may EBV infection. Meron din tayong nasoparginal carcinoma. It is a cancer of epithelial cells. Common siya sa mga lalaki. Sa Chinese organs. Meron tayong lymphomas. It occurs in sa immunodeficient host na nagtatransmit sa recipients. And then for the last is oral herdy. It is a wart-like growth on the tongue. Sa dila lang siya. At nakikita to sa HIV-infected patient. Paano nga ba na gagamot ang Epstein-Barr virus? Ito yung antiviral therapy is not necessary in uncomplicated case of infectious mononucleosis. Yung prevention naman niya is no EBV vaccine is available. So, thank you and then that's all for the herpes virus.